So you're hanging out on TikTok, someone clicks on your video, heads over to your profile, and really needs a reason to consume all the rest of your TikTok videos. And that's where your TikTok video cover comes in. Hello, my name's ANDREA Jones, and I love it when business owners use social media as a tool to grow their business. And in this video, we're talking all about TikTok covers to those beautiful videos that you're creating. Now, when you're thinking about creating your cover, this is for people who are on your profile, so not those people on the For You page or in your feed, but people who are on your profile. So we want to be strategic about how we show up here. So I'm going to show you that in this video. Before we dive in, just a quick note that this is part of the Savvy Social School, which is my membership program. So if I reference any other resources in the school, that's why, because it's a video from that product. And if you like videos like these, comment below and let me know, because we've got hundreds of them, literally, probably thousands. Anyways, let's dive into the tutorial. Hello, in this video, I want to talk to you about cover photos on TikTok. This is super important because if a new user lands on your TikTok page, they should be able to see at a glance what that video is all about. And if you don't have a great cover photo, they're not going to tap on the video. So there's two ways you can do this. The first way is by clicking Select Cover Photo here and choosing a still from the video. And especially if you've already got text on the screen, you can see I've got main point up here, second text here. I was doing another tutorial. You can keep that as your tutorial. And you see it's kind of got this loop, this GIF happening. So if I click save, that's one way that I can change that cover photo to be something else. The second way is similar. Let's say I don't have anything on the screen. Let's say it's farther down here. So I can choose a different point in the video, but then I'm going to add some text on top of the video. So at the bottom here, you see you've got some few options for text. So let's say I'm going to pick this one. So I tapped that one. I'm going to enter text and put something about this video, like the number one tip for TikTok success. Okay, think about it like titling a blog post. You want it to be something where if someone sees that, and you can edit it like this, if someone sees that on your page, they go, "Oh, I want to click that video. I want to see what it's all about." So make sure you have something that's exciting there. And you have different styles. You can tap on through the different styles. One thing I suggest is picking a style and sticking with it. I personally like this one because it's not, the branding isn't too overt, and for a lot of the businesses we work with, this one is typically the best. But if it's a funkier brand, you can choose some of these other styles here as well. The main point is that these titles pop up in the feed. So let me back out of this. Sure, discard. Let me save this random video to my drafts and just show you how this looks on my page. So sometimes you can see here and here, I have whatever text was in the video. But later on, like here and here, I have added some text. So this one's about social media connections. This one's about how to work with me. This one here is Instagram blocked me. And you can see from the videos around it, this title actually did very well in getting people to click on this video. So when you're thinking about those titles, make sure you have something catchy that people want to click on. Hey, before you go, if you're looking for more social media support, I've got to share our free course, which really is designed to help online business owners reduce that overwhelming feeling and actually create a social media strategy that works for you and your business. And yes, it is all free. You can find it at OnlineDrea.com/free, and it walks you through building out a social media strategy that will help move your business forward. Plus, we have some super sweet goodies in there, like done for you posts, templates, and more. So check it out at OnlineDrea.com/free. I'll see you there.